Hey guys, it's December 5, 2019. And remember the tree, guys, right there? Remember that tree? Sometimes I'm out in the balcony. When I do some of my videos, I'm out on the balcony and you guys can see this tree. And now it's completely bare, of course, because we're in the winter. It's lost all of its leaves and now it has a lot of snow lying on its branches and it looks so pretty. Yeah. So the other tree that's behind it, I don't know if you can see it very well. I'll point with my finger. Where's my finger? Where's my finger? Hold on, guys. I'll try it. There it is. Okay. There's a tree right here, right there. That one is usually a bright, bright brick red color in the summer. Yeah. But it's also lost its leaves. Yeah, it's snowing outside, guys. We have a snowstorm. Really pretty, huh? But it's warm outside. I don't know what the temperature is, but it's warm. There are some people walking. You see how they're dressed? Well, they should be dressed a bit like they should be dressed more properly than that, but it's it's not that cold. Anyway, I'm gonna go now. Bye.